Revolution is National Sawdust's annual 2-week festival celebrating Stravinsky's iconic work, The Rite of Spring, a defiant display of art that challenged elite society and caused a revolution. Spring Revolution continues this spirit by challenging the status quo and hosting profound performances that change the way we see the world. This year, we're in the middle of an awakening. This year, the female voice has been acknowledged as a force to be reckoned with. And thus, we turn our attention and shine a light on the voices of multicultural women because the female perspective is the human perspective, and the human perspective should be inclusive.
Understanding of ourselves, I think it should always be gradient, should always moving along. Rather, as a composer, I think I see myself as documentary maker who is very attuned to the world, and through the music that I wanted to do and the project that I wanted to do, that's how I understand the world around me. When you are a native of your country, when you look at the maps, that native country is always a little bit bigger than the other countries. Now, when you travel around so much and when you are immigrant, your sense of the center of the universe has evolved. We must have new works so that we are not defined and trapped into this, what I call it, a tourism culture. How to understand each other is not to say, look at me, but look at us.